Hello children, welcome to my channel Priya Gulati Maths. Students, today I am going to teach you exercise 4.3 question number 8. So please like, share and subscribe my video. So let us start with our question. The question reads, a train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. So what you have to find in this question? Speed of the train. So whatever you have to find, you will let that quantity, let the speed of the train equals to s kilometer per hour and let time taken equals to t hours. Distance in the question, it is given as 360 kilometer. So write down the formula, distance equals to speed into time. According to question, distance is given as 360. So put distance equals to 360 and this is equals to speed we have assumed as s, write down s, and time is t. So 360 equals to s into t. This is your equation number 1. Now according to question, it is given that if the speed becomes 5 more than the original speed, so I can write new speed will become equals to original speed plus 5. So new speed equals to original speed is how much? S. So write down s plus 5. So this is the new speed. New time, it is given as original time minus 1. The time becomes 1 less than the original time. So new time will be how much? Original time we have assumed as t. So in place of original time I write down t minus 1. So new time is t minus 1. So this is your new speed and this is your new time. Again use the formula, distance equals to new speed into new time. This distance for the new speed and new time is same. Means how much distance was given to you? 360. How you come to know it is same? Because it is given in the question for the same journey. Remember children, same journey itself means the distance has to be taken same. So that is why distance I will again take it as 360. New speed is how much? S plus 5 into new time. How much? T minus 1. So 360 equals to s plus 5 into t minus 1. This is your equation number 2. So what do you see children? We have obtained two equations, 1 and 2. Both the equation you see there are two variables, s and t. In this also s and t. What I will do with the help of these two equations, I will form a new equation which will be of the quadratic form, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So for that what I will do, from equation 1, t can be written as 360 upon s. s को आप क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके लेफ्ट साइड पे ले आएंगे तो डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएगा. सो फ्रॉम दिस इक्वेशन नंबर 1, t is how much? 360 upon s. Put this value of t in equation number 2. So यहाँ से pick up this equation number 2. s plus 5 into t minus 1. t की जगह now you will write down 360 upon s minus 1. ठीक है, और ये equals to 360. What next now? S plus 5 as it is. Second bracket में you take the LCM. 360 upon S minus 1. 1 को I can also write down as 1 upon 1. So what is the LCM of S and 1? S comma 1 का LCM क्या होगा children? S. Now do the subtraction as we do in the case of fractions of algebra fraction. So S divided by S gives you 1. 1 into 360, 360. Minus. S divided by 1 gives you S and S into 1 gives you S. So this is how we have obtained after taking the LCM, 360 minus s upon s, and this is equals to 360. Now what you see in the left side, there is one term in the denominator. So what I will do, I will bring cross this s and bring it on the right hand side. So जब आप इसको right hand side में लेके जाओगे तो it will get multiplied with 360. So what equation you will get now? S plus 5 into 360 minus s equals to 360 into s. So this is your equation. Next step, I'm again writing those equations, same equation I'm writing it again. So what you have obtained in the last step, s plus 5 bracket 360 minus s equals to 360 s. अब आप क्या करेंगे? You will apply term by term multiplication. So s into 360, 360 s into minus s square, 5 into 360 plus 1800, 5 into minus s minus 5s. So we have opened the bracket by term multiplication. Right side will remain as it is, 360s. What next now? Minus s square, 360s, and this 360s. ये वाला 360s I will take on the right hand side. So what remains from here? Minus s square minus 5s plus 1800. 360s you take on the right side. So it becomes 360s was already there minus ये वाला आप यहाँ लेके आ गए तो minus 360s. What next? This is as it is. Left side is as it is. 360s minus 360s will become 0. Now what you notice in this? Minus minus plus. Minus sign in front of s square. I want to make it plus. What I will do? I will multiply each and every term by minus sign. Means I will change the sign of each and every term. So this minus will become plus s square minus 5s 5 plus 5s or plus 1800 minus 1800x s sorry minus 1800 equals to 0. Remember children, I can always, if I want to change the sign of any one term, I will have to change the sign of all the terms. So these two equations are actually same. I have simply reversed their sign. 0 में चाहे plus लगाओ चाहे minus लगाओ, does not make difference. So ये 0 0 ही रहेगा. So now what do you notice here? This is a quadratic equation with variable s, degree 2. So I will solve this equation for s. So what will be s? Quadratic formula. Minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4 into a into c upon 2 into a. Now take the values of a, b, c from this equation. This can be written as 1 into s square. So compare it with the standard form. What is the value of a? 1. Coefficient of s square, which is 1 here. What is the value of b? Coefficient of s equals to 5. What is the value of c? Constant term which does not have any x in it. So I will take it along with its sign. So c equals to minus 1800. So these values of a, b, c now I will substitute in this quadratic formula. So what I will get? Minus b means minus 5 plus minus square root. B square means 5 square minus minus 4 into a into c means 4 into 1 into minus 1800. So 4 into 1 into minus 1800 divided by 2 into a means 2 into 1. Next s equals to minus 5 plus minus, this is minus here, minus 5 plus minus square root. 5 square means 25 minus minus 4 into 1 into minus 1800 will give you minus 7200 divided by 2 into 1 2. Next step, minus 5 plus minus 25. Minus into minus becomes plus. So 25 plus 7200 divided by 2. Add these two terms. Next step, what you will get? S equals to minus 5 plus minus square root of 7225 divided by 2. Now in this equation, I want to know the square root of 7225. Now what I will do, 7225 का square root का working देख लीजिए. वैसे तो आपने 8 में भी सीखा हुआ है. So what I will do, I will make the factors of 7225 by LCM method. This I have shown this LCM method. I think this you can understand yourself. What are the factors you are obtaining? 5 into 5 into 17 into 17. So I can write down this as square root 5 into 5 into 17 into 17. So what process you have to follow for finding the square root? You have to do the pairing. ये 5 5 pairing हो गया तो 1 5 I will write. 17 17 का pairing हो गया तो only once I will write 17. So your answer will become 5 into 17 which is equals to 85. So what is your answer for root 7225? 85. So from this step come to this step. So s will be equals to minus 5 plus minus this I write 85 upon 2. Now next, plus minus sign I will have to consider them separately. So for plus sign, what will be s equals to minus 5 plus 85 upon 2. If I consider minus sign, I will get s equals to minus 5 minus 85 upon 2. Now subtract them. 85 minus 5 gives you 80 upon 2. This gets cancelled, 40. So s ka value 40. Similarly, come to this value, minus 5 minus 85 means minus 90 or upon 2. Cancel it out, you get minus 45. Now what you see here, you are getting two answers. One is 40, the other is minus 45. What is s? S is speed, which I have assumed in the beginning. S equals to minus 45 is not possible because speed cannot be negative. So this answer will be rejected. You will get only one final answer, which is equal to 40. So what you will write? Speed of the train will be equals to 40 kilometer per hour. This is your final answer. I hope children you have understood this problem. Bye bye.